Mango lovers, this one's for you. Today, we're blending a vegan, gluten-free avocado mango smoothie that's bursting with flavor and boosts your health, heart energy, even men's vitality. Let's make it in just 2 minutes. First, pour 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk into your blender. It's plant-based, gluten-free, and keeps this smoothie light. Make sure it's certified gluten-free if you're sensitive. Check those labels. Next, toss in half a cup of fresh spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it. Spinach is loaded with nitrates that improve blood flow, super important for circulation and staying energized. Now, half an avocado for that creamy goodness. It's packed with heart-healthy fats and potassium, which support your blood vessels and keep your ticker strong. Plus, it's got vitamin E for a libido boost. Add 1 cup of frozen mango for a tropical vibe. These are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, fighting inflammation and keeping your blood vessels in top shape. Frozen mango makes it thick and chilled. Squeeze in fresh lime juice to taste, about half a lime, for a zesty kick and extra vitamin C. Then, a teaspoon of agave nectar for vegan sweetness. Unlike honey, agave keeps this 100% plant-based. Blend for 30 seconds and look at that color. This smoothie is your go-to for energy, glowing skin, and better circulation. Drink it 3 to 4 times a week to feel the difference. For serious health concerns like ED, always chat with your doctor. This is live as an instant premiere, so jump into the chat and tell me, mango or avocado, what's your fave? Like, subscribe, and share this with your friends for more vegan, gluten-free recipes. New health hacks drop weekly.